Hi, this is Visit Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use tags on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Is your Mac desktop cluttered up with screenshot videos, newly edited Word document, Excel files, or slideshow? If yes, then it's not easy for you to pick up a file or picture you need from the messy Mac desktop. Fortunately, there is a macOS built-in utility named Use Tags that is able to save you out of the mess and Make sure you'll have a clean macOS desktop. If you're interested, just keep watching this video. In this video, will show you how to enable the use tags on your MacBook. So you can just click right on your MacBook desktop and you'll find there is an option use tags. You can just click on that. And now you have clear desktop on your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So you can just click right on your MacBook desktop and just click on use tag so your MacBook desktop will be clear like this. So simple, right? So that is how to enable use tags on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.